To change your screen lock options on Motorola Edge 15 Neo, first we'll need to launch our settings. Then scroll down and look for security and privacy. Inside, when we go down, we can find device unlock, and right here there's 3 different options, and one of them has multiple options inside of it. So let's cover the quick ones first. We have the fingerprint. That means you can set up your fingerprint and use it to unlock your phone. It should be right here on the bottom of the screen. And the next option that you can change is a face unlock, and this will scan your face and unlock your phone when it detects the right face. And finally, let's move to our screen lock. Right here we need to unlock our phone before that, if you have that lock set up. And you can change the security options between none, swipe, pattern, pin, or a password. Difference with pin and password is that on the pin you can only include numbers, and the pin can have up to 4 digits, and the password is basically unlimited. It needs to have at least 4 digits, and you can use the letters as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.